Given that cosine theta equals square root of 3 over 2 and theta is 30 degrees, they're in quadrant 1. Find the values of the other 5 trigonometric functions. So 1 to 6, you will fill in the functions, and then 7 to 10, i-draw nimo ang circle. Pag ibutan ko asa sa nga quadrant, pag ibutan ko asa sa nga quadrant. Sige, start.